The smoothie paradox, nutrition hero or hype. Smoothies sit at the crossroads of convenience and controversy. Touted as nutrient-packed elixirs by wellness influencers yet criticized as sugar bombs by skeptics, they've become a battleground for nutrition myths. Let's crush myths, decode nutrients, and rebuild your smoothie IQ from the ground up. Myth number 1. Adding spinach boosts iron absorption. The claim, spinach, rich in iron, is a go-to green for fighting fatigue. But does blending it into smoothies actually help you absorb this mineral? The science of iron, heme versus non-heme. 1. Heme iron. Found in animal products, meat, fish, 15 to 35% absorbable. 2. Non-heme iron. Plant-based, spinach, lentils, 2 to 20% absorbable. Spinach contains non-heme iron and oxalates, which bind to iron and reduce absorption by up to 50%. The vitamin C factor. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, can counteract oxalates, boosting non-heme iron absorption by 300%. 1. Study Spotlight. A 2020 Journal of Nutrition trial found adding 50 mg of vitamin C, 1/2 orange, to spinach smoothies doubled iron uptake. Lab-tested fix. 1. Pair spinach with citrus fruits, strawberries, or bell peppers. 2. Avoid pairing with dairy. Calcium inhibits iron absorption. Recipe: Iron Max Smoothie. 1 cup spinach. 2. 1/2 orange, vitamin C. 3. 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds, iron plus zinc. 4. 1 cup fortified almond milk. 5. 1/2 frozen banana. Myth number 2. Protein powder versus Greek yogurt. Which is better? The debate. Protein powder enthusiasts swear by convenience, while Greek yogurt loyalists praise its natural profile. Let's break down the showdown. Round 1. Nutritional punch. Round 2. Bioavailability and amino acids. 1. Whey protein. Fast absorbing, rich in leucine, muscle synthesis MVP. 2. Greek yogurt. Contains casein, slow digesting, plus gut-friendly bacteria. Lab verdict. 1. Choose protein powder if you need quick post-workout fuel or follow a vegan diet. Opt for pea, rice blends. 2. Choose Greek yogurt if you prioritize probiotics, calcium, or whole food sources. Recipe: Hybrid Power Smoothie. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt. 2. 1/2 scoop plant protein powder. 3. 1 cup unsweetened soy milk. 4. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 5. 1/2 cup frozen blueberries. Myth number 3. Detox smoothies cleanse your body. The truth: your liver and kidneys detox 24/7, no $12 green juice required. Let's dissect the detox delusion. The detox myth exposed. 1. Placebo effect. Short-term bloat reduction does not equal detox. 2. Danger zones. Juice cleanses can cause nutrient deficiencies and blood sugar crashes. Science-backed alternatives. 1. Fiber-rich smoothies. Support natural detox via gut health. Add psyllium husk, flax seeds, or oats. 2. Liver-loving nutrients. Cruciferous veggies. Broccoli sprouts, sulforaphane boosts liver enzymes. Turmeric. Curcumin reduces inflammation. Recipe: Real Deal Detox Smoothie. 1. 1/2 cup broccoli sprouts. 2. 1/2 cup pineapple, bromelain enzyme. 3. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 4. 1 tablespoon hemp seeds. 5. 1 cup coconut water. Optimized recipes for every diet. Keto. Avocado MCT bomb. 1. 1/2 avocado. 2. 1 tablespoon MCT oil. 3. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 4. 1 scoop collagen peptides. 5. Handful of spinach. 6. Ice. Macros: 320 kilocalories, 5 grams net carbs, 28 grams fat, 15 grams protein. Vegan. Plant-based powerhouse. 1. 1 cup fortified oat milk. 2. 1 tablespoon almond butter. 3. 1/2 cup frozen cauliflower. 4. 1 scoop pea protein. 5. 1 teaspoon spirulina. 6. 1/2 apple. Macros: 280 kilocalories, 22 grams carbs, 12 grams fat, 24 grams protein. Fitness. Anabolic berry blast. 1. 1 cup frozen mixed berries. 2. 1/2 cup cottage cheese. 3. 1 scoop whale isolate. 4. 1 tablespoon cashew butter. 5. 1/2 cup beet juice, nitric oxide boost. Macros: 350 kilocalories, 25 grams carbs, 10 grams fat, 40 grams protein. Smoothie Science FAQ. Q. Can smoothies replace meals? A. Yes, if they contain protein, 15-25 grams, fiber, 5 to 10 grams, and healthy fats, 10-15 grams. Q. Are store-bought smoothies healthy? A. Often loaded with sugar. DIY lets you control ingredients. Q. Does blending destroy nutrients? A. Minimal loss. It may even enhance bioavailability of antioxidants. Conclusion: become a smoothie scientist. Armed with evidence over anecdotes, you're now equipped to craft smoothies that align with your goals, whether it's building muscle, thriving on plants, or cutting through marketing lies. Remember, the best smoothie isn't trend-driven, it's data-driven.